guys? This is RK Sweezy Vlog coming at you with another vlog for today. Yeah, it's Fresh Bro. Don't forget that. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, show all the support, show all the love, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your dog, cause it's fresh, bro. Also, don't forget, I will leave a link in the bio for the merch, and I'm so excited because we got a new design that came out. Special shout out to Bobby Lafferty for helping me out with the design, for helping me design it, for helping me come up with sketches and stuff like that. It was lit. I can't believe we made it come true. So thank you, Bobby. It's gonna be lit. It's fresh, bro. We are going to be doing a review of the worst rated restaurant in our city. I'm kind of nervous about this, honestly. I don't know what to expect, but hopefully I don't die of food poisoning. Alright guys, so we're on our way to this restaurant or food place or whatever. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about this. Honestly, what did you hear about this place?
It's freaking disgusting.
Guys, we're here. Okay. We'll just take a look at the menu and
2 hours later.
I'm gonna get some rice. Are you hungry?
You really hungry?
Well, looks like we got some.
Who hates broccoli? And we specifically asked no broccoli. Dude!
We told them no broccoli, man.
I don't know how to open it, so Top's gonna open it. Can you pass me the soy sauce? You want soy?
Oof, it smells like Clorox.
Do you like soy sauce?
No. Well, soy sauce? Not on rice. Are you insane?
What do you mean not on rice?
What?
Comment down below if you eat soy sauce with rice. If you eat rice with
Doesn't look.
soy sauce.
The rice looks fine.
I am Connor McDavid. The rice looks fine, yeah. That's because you can't mess up on rice.
Well, yeah, you can't mess up on rice. You're right. Taking care of the food. She wasn't using any gloves.
Oh yeah, that was.
She wasn't using any
part.
gloves. She was like, it was weird. Like it was weird to me. No hairnet, no nothing. So like, it was kind of disturbing, honestly.
How do you not like broccoli? All right, let's try this broccoli.
What is it?
Oh.
Damn!
Oh my gosh, super hard to chew.
Really? So it's still frozen? Is it still frozen,
Dude,
really?
No, it's hot, but it's super hard to chew.
Alright.
What the?
You're really scaring me here. The broccoli tasting raw?
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh my god. Alright, what the? What is on this chicken?
What is that?
What the?
No way.
That is disgusting.
Dude, that came right off the fryer.
Oh my god. What the?
Yo, show the camera.
Look at that. That is disgusting.
Yo, what the hell? What is that?
I don't know. It's a freaking orange peel. What?
Oh no, that's not. That's probably they probably didn't clean the.
Oh, they didn't clean this. That's disgusting. Oh my god.
All right, listen. Before anything else is said, I'm gonna try this orange chicken, and I'm really hoping.
I don't even know if I want to bite into this. Oh my gosh, super chewy.
Yeah.
It's super chewy. Really hot. I don't like it. I like my mom even makes orange chicken better than this, and we buy it at frickin' Walmart.
Yeah. The rice is okay though, right?
Yeah, the rice is good. Yeah, you want some beef? You want some beef?
I should cut. This is raw. Dude, this is raw.
It tastes really chewy. Oh, you want this one or I want it?
The rice is fine though, but rice is easy to make. This is,
Yeah.
Oh, what the What wait, what the There's a hair. There's a hair.
Ew!
Dude, what the This is so nasty.
What?
Dude, show the
No,
camera.
grab the camera, grab the camera.
My God, look.
Take
look,
it out,
look,
take
look,
it
look,
out.
look. No, I'm not touching that.
Ew.
Ew.
Damn.
Bro.
Alright, I think we're done eating this. We're recording? Oh, we're doing a vlog today.
No.
We're doing a vlog.